most of our greetings are questions. You know why? Because the average African, and in this case, Igbo man, wants to know your welfare. We want to know how you are faring. No, na Igbo Online College. Afambo Edith, onye nkuzi gị na Igbo Online College. Welcome back to Igbo Online College. If you are a new subscriber, in a special way, very special way, I welcome you. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome so very much. And thank you for sticking to this channel. Yes, today I will tell you 10 ways you can say good morning to an Igbo person. I mean, original Igbo person. Ote onye Igbo bi Igbo. Igbo bi Igbo amụrụ amụ. Yotago amụchala ọfụma. 10 ways you can say good morning. You can say morning greeting to an Igbo person. Not just Igbo person that feels he is Igbo person, but original Onyibo. 10 ways to say morning greeting to an Igbo person. Now, before I start, I will tell you this. A lot of people have their ideas of what Igbo greeting should be. But I teach you what Igbo people do, what it should be. I read Igbo, and I'm still reading Igbo. So I know how the Igbo people speak. Of course, I am a native Igbo speaker. I have been in Igbo land, so I know what Igbo people say at each point in time. I said this to say that some people will say ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, abani ọma. That is not Igbo. That is a transliterated English, and Igbo linguists, we frown at it very much, because no language is in competition with the other. It is not our culture. We work to preserve what we have. Of course, when we do not have anything to say something, we can borrow or we can coin. But in this case, we have what we say. We have it down, what we say, that depicts our ideology. It depicts our philosophy. So we do not agree to what the media is propagating as our greeting, like you say, ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, abani ọma. We do not agree. We, the linguists, do not agree to it. Alright, having said that, so let's delve into today's video. Okay, 10 ways to say morning greeting to an Igbo person. Now, I want to quickly tell you something. Most of our greetings are questions. You know why? Because the average African, and in this case, Igbo man, wants to know your welfare. We want to know how you are faring. That is why we will always ask you. So don't be offended if we ask you. That is our mindset. We want to know. We care about you. So number one, you can say epotago or epotala in the morning. Remember, we're talking about 10 ways you can say morning greeting to an Igbo person. Epotala, you can just say epotala. You can also say epotago, epotala, epotago. You can say epotala ora, epotago ola. anyone that is convenient for you, just say it. And every Igbo person will understand you. Epotala ora, epotago ola. Say it. I mentioned 4 things now. Epotala, 1. Epotago, 2. Epotala ora, 3. Epotago ola, epotago ola, 4. That is 1. So these are different ways you can say this particular thing. 2, you can say Ibolachi. Now, these are things you say to just one person. You see that I'm using the pronoun I, meaning you. I. So, Ibolachi. Ibolachi. 3, you can say Isalachi. Isalachi. You can say, number 4, you can say Epotakwara. 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 Did you get that? Say it. I want you to start using all these things, all these greetings. Use them. Number 4, I've lost the count, but I think number 5. Itetala. You can also say itetago. Itela. Most people will say itela. Itela. Then you can say keduka imere. Keduka imere. Keduka imere. So we have number 1, epotago, epotala, epotala ora, epotago ola, 4. Number 5, ibolachi. Number 6, isalachi. Number 7, itetala. 8, itetago. 9, itela. 10, kedu ka imere. Did you get that? These are different ways. They mean the same thing. They're just asking you, have you woken up? Kedu ka imere is how are you? You can say this at any time of the day. But the rest of the things I said, the basic thing they mean is hope you slept well. Hope you are all. It's just a way of asking the person, hope your night was well spent. That is the basic meaning. Forget about the literal meanings they could have, but their meanings, all of them, they mean hope your night was well spent. That is the basic thing they mean. Now, let me tell you responses. If somebody says this to you, how will you respond? Apart from keduka imere, you can say odimma or adimumma. Apart from that, you can also say arode. Keduka imere, arode. You can respond by saying arode, odimma, adimma, adimma, odimma, arode. Now, the rest of the things, epotala, epotago, epotakwarora, and all those ones I mentioned earlier, you can say means yes. Ginwakwanu. Ginwakwanu. Yes, and you? Ginwakwanu. You can have this response to all of them. And if somebody says epotala, ginwakwanu. Epotakwarola, gị nwakwanụ. Ị pụtago? Gị nwakwanụ. Ị rahụkwara ọfụma? Ị rahụkwara ọfụma? Gị nwakwanụ. Ị rahụkwara ọfụma? Gị nwakwanụ. Did you get that? Ị saala chi? Gị nwakwanụ. Ị bọọla chi? Gị nwakwanụ. I hope you understood this. Okay, now if you want to talk to more than one person, you want to put it in the plural form, you use unu. Unu means you all. Unu pụtakwara. Unu apụtago. Unu apụtago. Unu apụtala ụra. Unu apụtago ụla. Unu asaala chi. Unu abọọla chi. Unu rahụkwara ọfụma. Unu rahụkwara ọfụma. Unu rahụkwara ọfụma. Kedu ka unu mere? Kedu ka unu mere? So you just use unu instead of a. The response to kedu ka unu mere is anyị dị mma. Or you can still say ọ dị mma. Or you can still say onye ọbụla nọcha. Onye ọbụla nọ ya. Everybody is fine. Anyị dị mma, we are fine. Anyị dịcha mma, we are all fine. Ọ dị mma, all is well. Now to other greetings that is not kedu ka unu mere. You say unu nwakwanụ. Remember I said gị nwakwanụ before when it was singular, but this time it is plural. You say unu nwakwanụ. Unu nwakwanụ. Unu nwakwanụ. Yes. What of you all? Yes, and you, plural. Plural you. Unu nwakwanụ. Can you say that? Good job. Unu nwakwanụ. If it is singular, you say gị nwakwanụ. Can you say the two? Good job, good work, good job, good job. Good. So that is it for today. I plead with you, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like and comment. And I will see you in my next video. Que